Backpack vacuums improve mobility and reduce strain for sustained office cleaning tasks. Backpack vacuums free your hands and shorten travel time between workstations because the weight sits on the hips and shoulders rather than being dragged across floors. Choose a model with adjustable harness padding and a waist belt to distribute weight evenly and reduce lumbar stress. Try the vacuum for at least 15 minutes before buying to confirm fit. For hard floors, use a soft brush head and lower suction to avoid scattering debris, and for short pile carpet, increase suction and use a turbo or power nozzle for embedded dirt. Maintain the hose and wand length so you can reach ceilings and high fixtures without overstretching. Telescoping wands are especially useful because they lock securely and extend reach. Empty or change filters on a schedule based on hours of operation rather than visual cues to keep airflow strong and protect motor life, and color code tools and attachments for different zones to prevent cross-contamination. When noise is a concern, choose models with insulated motors and lower decibel ratings and pair with quieter brush heads to keep daytime office disruption to a minimum. Common mistakes are carrying an ill-fitting pack that causes shoulder and back pain, so one quick fix is to read fit guides and test harness adjustment and padding before purchase to ensure the load sits on the pelvis. Another issue is using the wrong tool for the surface, which damages flooring or leaves residue. Match a soft roller to hard floors, a stiff beater bar to durable carpets, and a brush or crevice tool for vents and ceiling lines. The third problem is poor maintenance leading to reduced suction and motor failure, and the remedy is a simple service routine. Check filters weekly, clear blockages in the hose and wand after each shift, and schedule motor inspections every 3 months. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around projects like office cleaning tool selection and local maintenance. On our site, we help you find contractors and contractors find work, and we host an active discussion community where users share recommendations, real use experiences, and practical tips.